Porsche Cayenne S hybrid, petrol hybrid, 2014. So this came in for a mirror monitor with reversing camera, so it's front and back dash camera, reversing camera. Here you can see obviously it's on reverse, and also the rear camera itself. I'll now go around to the front. I'm just going to simply, as you can see, it's off. I'm just going to switch the key back on. And you'll see this turn itself on. On here, as you can see, you have the front and the back. Swipe to the side, gives you the rear view. Same again, swipe to the side. And once more, it will show you the front view if need be. On here, on the right side, I can change the brightness of the screen up and down. Left side shows you the orientation. I can move the screen up and down to fit obviously the field of the back of the car, depending on the car whether it's too high or too low. Obviously on the bottom there's a little button you can press, it goes into a screensaver mode, and that is obviously acts as a rear view if you need to as well. From here, you can simply press the house, which is the home button. I can turn on smart driving, so it's got lane departure and the warning between vehicles, and it's got collision as well, so once anything comes too close it will start flashing red, so on and so forth. At this point also the customer decides to want to turn this stuff off, so we have these currently switched off for him. If I go into driving settings, you have the recording resolution, so it'll be 4K on the front, 1080p on the rear. So it's recording for every 3 minutes, it creates a loop on the video. This one at the moment, the customer wanted the recording sound on. G sensor is switched off and parking mode is switched off at the current point in time. Obviously parking mode, it acts as if the vehicle is to be switched off and the vehicle is stationary. If anything was to bump into it and the camera is shaken enough, it will obviously switch on and record for it as well. There's a timer as well for screen saver, so after a period of time the screen will simply turn itself off into this dark mode like this, so that way it will stop any glare or anything like that as you're driving. Again, system settings, as you can see here, here's the screensaver, so on and so forth. I can format the memory card through here, and then if you need to, you can connect through an app, which is, at the moment is turned off. You can connect through an app on this obviously to make it easier for you to download the footage. Last but not least, I'll go back to driving recorder, and I was to vehicle. So this is for the reverse. If I go into reverse itself, it will show you the rear image on here, and I can, if needs be, adjust the length and the width of the vehicle, same as the height, up and down again, to obviously suit the size of the vehicle. And that's it. So once I go back into normal park, it will go back and change itself, and that's pretty much everything. On here you have a lock, so obviously you can lock any videos, you can turn the voice on and off, you can go straight to your files if need be, and this one is for a picture. So if at any point something has happened in the front of the vehicle, you can simply press the picture button and it will take a screenshot of what's happened front and back. And that's pretty much it. If you'd like this installed on your vehicle, just give us a call on 0208 554 5554. Thank you.